Good morning, everybody.
Hi.
Hi, Susan. Bob.
Oh, hi, Big Bird.
Hi. Looks like everybody's here busy reading newspapers. Hi, David.
How you doing, Big Bird?
Reading some news, huh?
Yeah.
Lots going on?
Yeah.
What's that article about there?
Oh, that says, big storms in France.
France. Where's France?
Oh, France is about 4,000 miles that way.
Really?
Yep.
Huh, 4,000 miles. I guess I won't need my boots.
yeah.
Oh, what's that one about?
That one over there? Oh, that says big fires in Los Angeles.
Los Angeles. I never heard of it. Where's that?
That's about 3,000 miles that away.
3,000 miles?
3,000.
Well, no wonder I didn't smell any smoke.
Right.
Oh, there's a picture of something round there. What's that a picture of there, David?
That says new photo from Saturn.
Saturn. Where's Saturn?
Saturn is about 100 million miles that away.
Whoa. Wow, that's a long ways away.
Certainly is.
Well, don't they have any news about closer places, like right here on the street? Hey, there it says street right there on the front. What's that about?
Oh, that says good news on Wall Street.
Wall Street? I never heard of Wall Street. Who ever heard of that? Don't they have anything about Sesame Street and what happened here? Oh, they write about all these other places, but do they write anything about the news we might like to know about what's happening in our own neighborhood? No!
Big Bird. Wait a minute, Big Bird. Big Bird. Well, there's nothing much happening on Sesame Street.
Are you kidding me? Why, just yesterday, playing jacks, I made 11sies. And you don't think that that's news?
Well,
What we need here is a newspaper of our own, one where we'll know just what's happening in our very own neighborhood. I'm going to start such a thing.
okay, if that's what you want to do.
I do, and that's what we need. We're going to have a newspaper, and it's going to be Big Bird's newspaper. I'm going to do it right away. That's what I'm going to do. If you want to know what I'm going to do, that's what I'm going to do.
go right ahead
Go
and you
make a
do that.
newspaper. David,
Yeah.
how would one go about making a newspaper?
Well, if you're really serious about this, Big Bird, first thing you've got to do is you've got to be a reporter.
Be a reporter.
Be a reporter.
Oh, what's a reporter?
Well, that's somebody who reports the news.
Oh.
Now, then what you've got to do is you've got to find something that just happened on Sesame Street because that is the news.
Yeah.
And then you've got to, like, ask a lot of people a lot of questions about it. Then you got to write it out, and you got to type it out.
Okay, Jessica, you remember what we are?
Yep, newspaper reporters.
Newspaper reporters we are. And now what we have to do is to find something interesting, some news item, something that just happened today, and we'll write it down and then type it up and put it in our newspaper so everyone will know what's happening on Sesame Street.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll ask the questions and you write down the answers.
Okay.
Okay, let's go see what's happening. Okay, Jesse, all we have to do is find some news. Oh, there's Barkley. He's asleep on the sidewalk. But I guess that isn't news. He does that every day. Oh, look. There's David sweeping the sidewalk. David sweeps sidewalk. Guess that isn't very interesting.
Hi, Big Bird.
Oh, hi, Bob. But I'm not Big Bird today.
You're not?
No, I'm a newspaper reporter. I'm Bird of the Daily Bird, and this is my cub reporter, Jesse.
Hi, how are you? Good to meet you.
And we're looking for some interesting news, something interesting that just happened.
Oh.
Do you know of anything, Bob?
Gee, I don't think I've seen anything that would make a good story, Big Bird.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Sorry, Big Bird. I'll keep my eyes open, though, okay?
Yeah, okay, Bob.
If I see anything, I'll let you know,
Oh,
right?
will you do that?
Yep.
Good.
Hi, Bob.
Oh, hi, Susan.
Hey, I like your shirt. It's
Oh,
really nice.
thank you. I just bought it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
It's
See you
nice.
later.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Jesse.
Hey, did you hear that, Jesse? Come on, I think there's a story here. Bob, wait!
What, Big Bird?
Bob, didn't I hear you just say that you just bought that shirt?
Yeah.
Was that today?
Yeah, just about an hour or
Well,
two
that's
ago.
what you want. Today's news today. Well, that's news, Bob. Now, this is interesting.
Yeah, but it's just a shirt, Big Bird. I don't know how interesting that would be. you
Oh,
know?
it'll be very interesting. This is great news. Write this down, Jess. Okay, now, what color would you say is your shirt there?
I would say it's vermilion, Big Bird.
Oh, that's a better write red. Now, Bob, tell me about your shirt. How many buttons do you have on your shirt?
Hey, what?
How many buttons you got?
Never mind, Big. There's 5 buttons, Big Bird. But look
But,
there.
you didn't count the ones on your shoulder, did you?
That doesn't matter. Look behind you, Big Bird. There's a
Bob,
whole band.
I'm trying to find out about your shirt, Bob.
It doesn't
now,
matter, Big
Now,
Bird.
how many sleeves does your shirt have, Bob?
It's got 2 sleeves, but would you look, Big Bird?
Bob, now, about your shirt. What is it made of?
It's made of wool, but look, Big
Made
Bird.
of wood?
No, wool like
Wool,
a sheep.
right down wool.
You
How
know,
much did you
look,
pay for it, Bob?
Big Bird, I don't know, $11.
Does that include the sales tax, Bob?
I don't know if it includes the sales tax, Big Bird. Big Bird, didn't you see? Didn't you listen? Didn't you hear anything?
What, Bob?
A whole pipe band just went by. Now that's news, not my stupid shirt, all
Bob,
right?
that's not a stupid shirt. It's a handsome shirt.
I don't
and
care.
besides, you don't have to make up stories for the press.
It's
when
not-
we got the real stuff.
It's
now
not a-
we got to go write this out. Come on, Jessica.
It's not a
Bob buys a shirt today.
It's not a
Right
story,
there.
Big Bird.
Now,
It's
let's see.
there was really a band that just went by here. You missed the whole. There was a band, wasn't there?
Ah, my 12 lovelies, I feel a count coming on. For the first time ever, I'm going to count you.
I count.
Greetings, my feathered friend.
Today I'm Bird of the Daily Bird, Sesame Street's new newspaper. And, what are you up to there?
Well, for the first time ever, right now, I am going to count quail's eggs.
Really? Have you ever counted those before?
No, never.
Never. Oh, well, this could be news. Could we watch? I'll write about it, and Telly here will take a picture.
Yeah. See, I'm a photographer, Mr. Count. I have a camera here, and I have a flash that...
Oh.
Oh, dear. I didn't want a picture of myself. Oh, no. And it's the last flash. How am I going to take a picture of the Count counting without a flash?
I don't know. What would Lou Grant do in a case like this?
Do not worry, my friend. You will have a big flash. Just wait until I say 12, then take my picture.
Okay,
got that?
good, yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, Mr. Count.
Okay. 1 cute little quail egg. 2 little quail eggs. 3 little quail eggs. 4 little quail eggs.
Now?
No, not now, not now.
Oh.
5 little quail eggs. 6 little quail eggs. 7 little quail eggs. 8 cute cuddly quail eggs.
Now?
No, still not yet.
Oh,
No. 9 fine quail eggs. 10 tiny quail eggs. 11 wonderful quail eggs. Are you ready?
yeah, I'm ready.
12 terrific quail eggs! Wow!
Wow, what a flash.
Oh,
Did you get it?
yeah, I got a couple. Oh, boy.
Snuffy, I've written a story all about you for my new newspaper.
Let's hear it.
Okay, it's called Meet Mr. Snuffleupagus. It goes on. If you do not believe Mr. Snuffleupagus is real, look at this picture of him and yours truly, Big Bird. So now you know. So there. What do you think?
Oh, that's lovely, Bird. Sheer poetry.
Oh, thanks. Now all I have to do is take a picture of you and me to go with the story to put in the newspaper so everyone will see that you're real.
Oh, Bird, you're so brilliant.
Oh, it's nothing. Now let me just get the camera ready.
Yeah? Bird? If you're taking the picture, how can you be in it, too?
Well, lucky for me, since Telly isn't around right now, that I can take the picture myself because it has a little button you press, and then when you count to 3, the camera goes off and it takes your picture. So all I have to do is push the button, count to 3, and run in there real fast. And then when it snaps, I'll be with you.
Oh, Bert, you think of everything.
I know. Now let me just get it all focused here. Oh, I think you're far back. Too far. Come on, closer.
Okay, a little closer.
You're still kind of far away. I'd like to see that lovely fur.
I'm pretty big, Bert.
Oh, well, that's all right. A little closer. A little bit more. You're still too far.
Closer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yep, that's about it. Okay, now, I'm going to get ready to push the button. Then I'll run in the picture. There it is. 1, 2, 3. Smile.
I'm smiling.
Ah, I did it. I did it. It worked. Now let me see how the pictures come out.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is, fading in.
I can't wait, Bert.
Well, take a look. Oh, gee. Oh, it only shows a real close picture of your fur and my feathers. Oh, do you think they'll recognize us?
I recognize us.
Yeah, so do I. Hey, so we did it.
Oh,
Ah.
did we?
Will they be surprised when they see my newspaper?
Oh, not a scoop in sight, Big Bird.
No,
Gosh, no stories nowhere.
not much happening, but I can't make up the stories. I'm not a magician, you know.
A la peanut butter sandwiches.
Wow. Oh, it's Mr. Bumford.
Mumford, the amazing, in fact.
Oh, well, I'm Bird of the Daily Bird, the new newspaper, and I'm trying to write some stories for it. Do you have any interesting new magic you might be able to tell me about?
Well, yes, I do. I'm working on a subtraction trick.
Oh, well, maybe I can write a story about it.
Yeah, and I'll take your picture.
Oh, my
Okay.
pleasure. Okay, now to start the trick. How many of us are there?
Well, let's see. There's 1, 2, 3. There's 3 of us.
That's correct. There are 3 of us.
Mhm.
Ready?
Ready.
What's 3 take away 1?
3 take away 1 is...
A la peanut butter sandwiches.
Wow. 1, 2. 3 take away 1 is 2. Terrific. But where's Telly?
Oh, I made him disappear. Why, that's the trick.
Oh.
Yes, here, I'll bring him back. A la peanut butter sandwiches.
Wow. 3 take away 1 is 2. 1, 2. He did it. You got the picture.
Oh, yeah.
When'd you take it?
Well, right after he disappeared.
Uh-oh. Mr. Bumford, come back. I don't think we got your picture. Mr. Bumford.
Oh, Mr. Bumford, come back. Yoo-hoo.
I didn't know it was so hard to be a reporter. Bye. Big Bird.
Yeah.
Pretty good, huh?
Oh,
Yeah.
there you are. Here he is, kids. We've been
hi,
looking
Susan.
all over for you, Big Bird. What are you doing?
Well, I'm busy here typing up a story for my newspaper.
Oh.
Yeah, it says story by Big Bird, and I'm doing it bird style. That's hunt and peck.
Yes, I know that stuff. Well, how's it going?
Well, pretty good. I already wrote by Big Bird. It only took me half an hour.
Oh, that's not fast enough. How are we going to finish in time?
Well, let me see how Big Bird's doing here, kids. Excuse me a minute. Let's see here. Oh, I see. Storky, Vikey, Big Bick. You made a few mistakes, huh, Big Bird?
Yeah, I guess I'm a little bit rusty. Maybe that's because I don't know how to do it.
Oh, that's probably right.
Big Bird, how are you going to type a whole newspaper? And with you making mistakes, even if you don't make mistakes, well, you won't finish until tomorrow.
Oh, that's true. Oh, boy. Susan, how do the big real newspapers type so fast? Why, they must really be typing all night.
Well, Big Bird, they not only type, but they also print the papers right there.
What do you mean, print them?
Well, they have a big machine that prints the papers real fast. Have you kids ever gone to the newspaper? They got a big machine that prints them, Big Bird.
Oh, print them, huh?
Uh-huh.
Wow, that gives me an idea.
It does?
Yeah.
It gives me an idea. Listen, I can type. Why don't you let me type your newspaper for you? I'd be happy to do that.
No, thanks. It won't be necessary. Kids, can you stay with me a little while?
Yeah.
Okay, we can all do it, Susan. Thanks.
Well, you, Telly, and the kids are gonna make the paper.
Sure.
You sure now?
No problem.
Well, how you gonna do that?
You'll see.
Okay. Stay here and help Big Bird, kids. I'll see you later.
Yeah, kids.
Okay.
Gee whiz, BB. How are we gonna do it?
Hey, don't worry, little pal. I got a great plan. Now, here it is.
Did you just come off from there?
Yeah, Bob, I just...
What's going on?
I'm not sure. Now, Big Bird is making this newspaper,
Right.
and I offered to help him type because
Yeah.
he's been in there for a half an hour, and he's got story by Big Bird with lots of mistakes and everything. And I wanted to help him, but he said he, Telly, and the kids can do it.
You know, I wonder if he's a little too proud to ask for help.
Well, that's what I was thinking about. I wanted to
Do you think
go
maybe there's something we could do anyway if we
I
went in?
think there ought to be
Why
something.
don't we give it a try? Just...
Big Bird, we
We're
wondered,
just-
was there anything we could help you do? What are you doing?
Anything at all, Big Bird.
Oh, well, no thanks, Susan. You helped me a lot. Because you told me that the big newspaper companies always print their newspapers.
Right.
Well, I know how to print, and Telly knows how to print, and the kids know how to print, don't you, kids?
Yeah, they're doing
Yeah.
a good job.
So we're all cooperating, and we're printing the newspaper together.
Oh, what a good
That's a
idea.
terrific
Big
idea.
Yeah.
Big Bird.
Hey, David, when you print the story about the trees, be sure to use your green crayon, okay?
Oh boy, this is fun, BB.
Yeah. Ben Bradley, eat your heart out.
Hey, where's the newspaper?
Well, when we left Big Bird, he and the kids were over there printing it with crayons.
Yeah.
Crayon.
Bob?
Yeah, they're very
Yes,
busy.
weren't they, Bob?
Yep.
Extra,
Here he is.
read all about it. Read the Daily Bird. Read our newspaper, Sesame Street's own paper.
Big Bird, where's the paper?
Oh, well, the printers have it.
The who?
Well, the kids are printing it. I think they're all done now. They got it right over here. You want to see it?
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, it turned out good.
Yeah.
It turned out good, kids.
That's really something. The Daily Bird.
Yeah.
Wow.
All the news kids can print.
Hey, that's
Right.
terrific.
Now let's go to the news.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Bob buys new shirt. Oh, I didn't know you bought a new shirt.
That's our lead item.
Today, Bob bought a new shirt. It is red
Right.
and has 17 buttons and 2 sleeves.
Yeah, right.
And is made of wool.
Right, right.
Bob, I really didn't know that.
Yeah, it's all red.
See?
See, it's
Look.
all the buttons, wool.
David, that's why we have newspapers. They keep the people informed.
Yeah,
Wait
right.
a minute. Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this. Meet Mr. Snuffleupagus. If you do not believe Mr. Snuffleupagus is real, look at this picture. What
Yeah.
is this picture, Big Bird? It's a piece of fur and your feathers.
Well, it's an extreme close-up.
Oh,
But
Yeah,
now you believe, don't you?
Yeah, makes sense to me.
Hey, here's another picture down here. Doesn't look like much of anything. In fact, I'm not sure what it is. It says, Amazing Mumford Disappears.
Yeah, the picture was taken after he disappeared.
Oh, after he disappeared. I see. It says, while doing a subtraction trick today, the amazing Mumford disappeared, as you can see by this picture.
Right.
Wow, that's terrific.
He was standing right in front of me. Then he's gone.
I see. So that's
Wonderful.
the smoke.
We got him
huh?
after he left.
Right, wonderful.
Wait a minute. Here's my friend over here. The count counts to 12. There he is. There's
Ah,
the 12.
yeah.
Right.
Good.
Yep, I took that picture.
Yeah,
Yes, I
Telly's our
did.
cameraman.
That's
Good,
good.
good
Telly,
picture,
you're
Telly.
Good.
Thank you.
Terrific. Yeah, good.
So,
Wonderful.
Oh, that's nice.
well,
nice.
did we do it? Did we come out with a newspaper or what?
Yeah,
You really did. You know, you should be very proud of yourself, Big Bird.
Oh, I am very proud. How about you, Telly? Are you proud?
Oh, I'm proud as a pumpkin.
Hey, how about you, kids?
kids do-
Jesse,
Yeah.
everybody?
Oh,
We had a good time. But now, David,
Yeah?
it's time for you to put it on your newsstand with all the other newspapers.
you want me?
Yeah,
You want me to put it on the news?
Sure.
Sure.
So
that's-
everybody
That's a good idea.
Okay,
That's a good idea.
I'll put it on.
You should put that on.
No,
That's a
you
good
go
idea.
Yeah,
on.
sure.
You put that.
well, you
Yeah.
see, because, you know.
Yeah, that's nice.
Hey,
Hey,
that
that looks good.
Doesn't it look good?
That looks very nice there. Terrific.
Yeah.
That's one good looking.
Okay, I'll advertise it. Extra, extra, read the Daily Bird. Now, who wants to buy one?
I'll buy one, Big Bird.
Yeah, and I'll buy one too, Big Bird.
You want one too?
Yeah, oh, okay. I'll buy one.
Oh, you mean I was supposed to make more than one?
Oh, well, that's okay.
Well,
we
that's
can all kind of...
Sure, we can share.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters E and F and by the number 12. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop, Wextra.